Hey everyone, welcome back again. It's your girl ifymaey, and if it's your first time, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe down to my channel. So guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I'm relaxing my hair, guys. So I haven't relaxed my hair for the past, I think it's been like 7 years. Yeah, and I've never really been a fan of natural hair. Like I love when I see people with a natural hair and all that. Like don't get me wrong, I love it, and I've also embraced and love my natural hair. The only reason why I'm doing this is just because like I'm just tired. I'm just tired of taking care of my natural hair. That's it. Like I want to be able to do my slick ponytail and slick bun, like just easy peasy. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be using the olive oil. I've always been using this to relax my hair, and it's been pretty good around the side as well. And my hair is so dirty right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so ashamed to show you guys what my hair looks like right now. Like the amount of dandruff, guys. I'm so excited at doing this. Like I don't know if I'm gonna regret this. Like I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna regret it, but I'm just praying this turns out really well. I don't think I'll regret it. If anything, I'm the kind of person that I can wake up one morning and just be like, I'm getting a haircut, and I'm gonna do it. So if it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna get a haircut. That's it. But yeah, so let me just open the box right now. I've honestly forgotten how this works. Alright, let's get started. I don't know how to start. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna use this to comb, and I'll start from the back. Hey God. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. I've said I will do this for the longest time. What? I just did not have the courage, because I wasn't sure if I was I just like to put everything like at the root of my hair, just everywhere before I actually start relaxing it. So that way the hair is like, everything is getting a touch of the relaxer all at once, you know what I mean? Yeah, so now we're gonna get right started to the real deal now. So now I'm gonna be combing out my hair. Okay guys, so right now I'm all done. I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. The back. This wasn't too bad, but I just realized because I was supposed to mix it for about and leave it on there for about 5 minutes, I think. But as soon as I was done mixing, I just put it in my hair. I don't know if that's gonna affect the texture or how it comes out. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Hopefully things turns out really good, but for some reason my hair is already beginning to hurt me right now. But I'm so happy I finally did it. I can't wait for the review, guys. I can't wait to see what my hair looks like after this. Anyways, so I'm just gonna leave it on I'm just gonna let it sit, and I'll cover it up with my shower cap for about, I can't find it right now, but yeah, about 15 minutes. And I just did my shirt. Yeah, and then I'm gonna wash it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like after.
20 minutes later.
I am loving my hair right now. Guys, my hair grew so much. My hair wasn't this long before. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of me. I am loving this. I've been taking good care of my hair, clearly. So I'm gonna use the leave-in straightener. Say this again, I don't regret doing this at all. I'm so proud of myself. I love my hair. Like, just take a look, just take a good look at this, guys.